Morning, students. Now today we have to learn history, chapter number 3rd. Name of the chapter is Ruling the Countryside. Countryside means a rural area that is away from big towns and cities. Such area it is called countryside, ruling the countryside. Now how the Britishers they started to rule over the countryside also. We have to learn in this chapter. So all of you listen carefully and see this first paragraph. The company becomes the Diwan. Diwan means chief financial administrator as well as the manager, important person, prime minister. So East India Company, how East India Company became as the administrator as well as the chief manager, executive. It means Diwan. We have to learn in this paragraph. On 12 August 1765. Now just see this paragraph. 1765. In this year, the Mughal emperor appointed the East India Company as the Diwan of Bengal. So by the Mughal emperor in 1765, company was appointed to the East India Company. Company was appointed as the Diwan of Bengal, as the chief financial administrator of Bengal. The actual event means handover, this ceremony. The actual event most probably took place in Robert Clive's tent. Now, announcement of the as a Diwan as well as the handover, whatever the authority as a Diwan. So all this ceremony activity which was conducted or took place in Robert Clive's tent with a few Englishmen and Indians as witness. So who were in that ceremony? Who presented? Only few Englishmen as well as some Indians in front of them. Now East India Company got whatever the authority or power as a Diwan in Robert Clive's tent. But in the painting above, now see this painting, see all of you carefully. But in the painting above, the event, this event, handovering the Diwan, this we can say the power as a Diwan or authority as a chief financial administrator, so giving to the East India Company. So such type of event which was conducted in Robert Clive tent. But in above paintings, the event is shown as a majestic occasion. If you see the above painting, so you can understand such this ceremony as well as the such a functions which was carried out or which was held, celebrated very we can say the majestic way. Why? So listen carefully. Taking place in a grand setting. Now, event was shown by another way because of this reason. Which was the reason? The painter was commissioned. Now, commissioned means appointed by giving the fee, etc. The painter was commissioned by Robert Clive, to record the memorable events in Clive's life. So, Robert Clive, he appointed painter to prepare, to record whatever the memorable events which happened during his time. The grant of Diwani, grant means agree. This ceremony, the grant of Diwani clearly was one such event, one of the event in Robert Clive's life, as well as in a British, we can say in British administration. So one of the important event was one such event in British imagination, so this event which was shown by another way. Now students, it's British policies. According to British policies, they showed how they were superior, how they control over the Indians, etc. So that this event was also shown by another way. Now second paragraph, this one, just to see carefully. As Diwan, now company became Diwan, chief manager or chief financial administrator of Bengal. As Diwan, the company became the chief financial administrator of the territory under its control. Territory means a region. The company became the Diwan, and because of granting of Diwan this whatever the power and authority, so company, we can say it had a power to control over its territory or its region. Now it had to think of administering the land and organizing its revenue resources. After getting this power as a Diwan, now East India Company started to think about how to manage, how to run, as well as how to organize, how to collect revenue or resources from its control area or control land. This had to be done in a way that could yield, here yield, underline yield means produce, create, enough revenue. Now this had to be done. Now company focused how to run administration properly, as well as to organize and to make a collecting revenue system properly, so that why that could produce enough revenue, because of the collecting enough revenue to meet the growing expenses of the company. Expenditures. Now to handle the expenses of the company, now company started for collecting revenues. A trading company had also to ensure that it could buy the products it needed and sell what it wanted. Basically, East India Company, that was specially came in our country for the purpose of trading. So it needed and sell what it wanted, buying products and selling whatever the goods that was important for the company also. Now students, see this paragraph, page number 27. Look carefully. Over the years of the company also learned that it had to move with some caution. Some caution. Caution means here care. Over the years of the company. Now company had a good experience. The company understood properly, experienced properly. It had to move, company had to move with some caution, with a care. Okay, company had to move means company had to control other regions, controlling and ruling properly. How? With a care. Being an alien power, foreign power, it needed to pacify. Pacify means to become peaceful, to make cool. It needed to pacify those who in the past had ruled the countryside. The company thought that it needed to make cool those who ruled in the past, those who were the rulers, who ruled over the countryside, those who ruled over the village areas, to make cool them or peace them. And enjoyed authority and prestige, as well as they had to cool such a rulers, they had to make cool them, as well as they had to enjoy authority as well as the prestige for themselves. They had to, we can say, the ruled properly over the countryside also, by taking the people's support. Those who had held local power had to be controlled. Those who had a local power had to be controlled. They had to control for ruling over the countryside. First, the East India Company decided to make cool them, as well as the pacify them, and they had to control, but they could not be entirely eliminated. Eliminated means removed, defeated. The company could not remove completely, not remove them. Only the company could control them. How was this to be done? How all this done? We have to understand, we have to read in this chapter. In this chapter, we will see how the company came to colonize the countryside. In this chapter, we have to learn, we have to study how the East India Company control over the countryside. Organize means arranged. Revenue resources. Redefine means re-examine the rights of the people, and produce the crops it wanted, and how the crops which were produced, which crops which they wanted. Now we have to learn in this paragraph, and in next paragraph we have to understand revenue for the company. So students, listen carefully and try to understand. Thank you very much.